Hey everybody, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to another Draw Too Much video. Now usually we've been doing tutorials on caricatures, but I've been taking a little breather to show you guys a couple drawings that I did while I was on vacation with my wife in Florida visiting my parents. It was a lot of fun, and one of the things that I did during this trip was I took a little 3-hour drive out of town to go and pick up my grandmother, and we actually stayed at her house for a day and helped her out with her house a little bit and brought her back for our Christmas vacation. It was very, very nice. Something kind of funny that I learned about my dad is that he was very quick to tell me about every single car that cut him off, or every single person that decided to slow down as he was trying to pass them, and he was quite annoyed at many of them and attempted to give them life lessons that they obviously couldn't hear because he wasn't yelling loud enough, because he's not that kind of guy. But he was happy to tell me about each one of them. So I found it kind of funny, and I decided, you know what, since you're going to tell me, I'm going to show you. So I got out my iPad, and I drew him up doing this exact thing in one of my Life of Thrive comics. And I don't draw these very often, but when I do get that little itch, it has been a lot of fun while I was doing it on the trip. Very basic techniques. This one was quick throw together. I was trying to see if I could create more cast reflections, and so I tried to light things a little differently. Ended up not liking it and just went with my old style. And as I look back at it now, the one thing I would change would be the skin tones. They're a bit too bright. I was trying to make everything look daylight, like it's in the sun. But I've learned I just really like my style. I think it stands out the best in warmer tungsten tones instead of trying to draw everything in daylight. So deeper skin tones, more tan skin tones instead of actually trying to match real life skin tones. Things like that just seem to make it pop a little better. And then at the same time also trying to make the car look pretty square, which would mean drawing half of it and then just mirroring it to match on the other side, which seemed to impress my dad for some reason. And that's about that. It was a really fun drawing to do, and he got a kick out of it, and I had some fun too. And the nice thing about using an iPad is you can draw wherever you want, and even in this case. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my Facebook, Tim Lee Michael on Facebook, and also would love it if you'd follow my Instagram. I'm very busy over there with photography and also these little drawings. I put them up over there as well. Instagram.com/Tim_Lee_Michael. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to throw me a bone, head on over to my Patreon page and become a patron. And thank you so much for spending some time with me here. My name is Tim Lee, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.